Hello everyone. If you are looking to enhance your Amazon Fire Stick's capabilities by installing the latest Kodi 21, you are in the right place. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps to get Kodi 21 up and running on your Fire Stick. So now let's dive in. So first step is prepare your Fire Stick. Navigate to settings from the Fire Stick home screen. Select My Fire TV. And if you don't see developer options, go to About and highlight Firestick TV. Press the select button on your remote 7 times to unlock developer options. Return to My Fire TV and now you'll see developer options. Now click on this and enable apps from unknown sources. Next, install the downloader app. From the home screen, select the search icon, type downloader and select it from the search results. Click download to install the app. After this, download and install Kodi 21. Open the downloader app in the URL field. Enter kodi.tv/download and click go. Select the correct version on the Kodi download page and scroll down and select the Android icon, as Firestick runs on a modified Android OS. Now choose the ARM V7A 32-bit version for compatibility. Now once the download completes, a prompt will appear. Now click install. And after the installation, click open to launch Kodi 21. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Kodi 21 on your Amazon Fire Stick. Enjoy accessing a vast array of media content. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.